Good morning, all of you. In this class of 10, I am going to explain some numericals related to mirror formula. For example, a small candle 2.5 centimeter in size placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Describe the size and nature of the image. According to your question, some terms are given, that is h1. H1 means height of the object, 2.5 centimeter. U, that means object distance, minus 27 centimeter, because object distance always be negative. Radius of curvature of concave mirror is 36 centimeter. According to sign convention, it is negative, that means minus 36 centimeter. Therefore, F is equal to R by 2. That implies F is equal to minus 36 by 2 centimeter. That means minus 18 centimeter. Okay. B is equal to what? H2 is equal to what? V, that means image distance. And H2 means height of the image. From mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. All of you know that. This formula. You are familiar to this formula. I put here the value given according to your question. That implies 1 by V plus 1 by minus 27. U is equal to minus 27 centimeter. And F is equal to minus 18 centimeter. Okay, that implies 1 by V minus 1 by 27 is equal to minus 1 by 18. 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 18 plus 1 by 27. Okay, here 1 by V is equal to LCM of 18 and 27 is 54 minus 3 plus 2. Therefore, 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 54. Therefore, V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. That means image is formed in front of mirror beyond 54 centimeter from its pole. Okay, this is the first answer of your questions. Now, here we use the formula of magnification. According to the formula of magnification, M is equal to V by minus V by U in the case of mirror. Since M is equal to minus V by U, here M is equal to magnification, B is equal to image distance, U is equal to object distance. Therefore, M is equal to minus 54 upon minus 27 2. Therefore, M is equal to minus 2. Magnification has no unit. Okay. Again, we know that M is equal to H2 by H1. M is equal to H2 by H1, where H2 is the height of the image. Again, M is equal to H2 by H1. That implies here M is equal to magnification, H2 is equal to image distance, H1 is equal to object distance. Minus 2 is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to 2.5 centimeter according to the question. Therefore, H2 is equal to minus 5.0 centimeter. Okay. This is the height of the image. Here, magnification is negative. This shows that image is real. Nature. The image is real. Inverted and 2 times larger than the object. Larger than the object. Okay. Here M is negative, so image is real and inverted. If M comes positive, then image is virtual and erect. Okay. That means in this question, the formed image has nature, real, inverted and 2 times larger than the object. Okay. Now I will teach you some another numerical problems in next class. Till thank you. Have a nice day.